Forget the glass towers of Manhattan. We are stepping into the Golden Triangle of Paris to witness a $7 million masterpiece that redefines the global standard for prestige. This isn't just a residence, it is a 270-degree vantage point over history itself. With the Eiffel Tower to your left and the Arc de Triomphe to your right, this corner apartment marries the heritage of Haussmann architecture with the soul of quiet luxury. Prepare to enter the world's most coveted new address. Standing at the intersection of prestige and art, the limestone facade of this Haussmann icon glows under the Parisian twilight. The architectural DNA is anchored by a dramatic, continuous wraparound balcony that traces the building's curves like a silk ribbon. Every wrought iron detail has been restored to a high-contrast black against the cream-colored stone, signaling a home that respects its history while commanding the modern market. It is an exterior that doesn't shout, it simply resonates with an unmistakable aura of permanent, quiet luxury. The true magic begins the moment we cross the threshold. The living room is a masterclass in Pierre Yovanovitch-inspired curves and organic sophistication. Floor-to-ceiling French doors invite the Parisian blue hour inside, reflecting off chevron oak floors that shimmer like liquid gold. Bespoke furniture in cream boucle and muted cashmere creates an atmosphere of soft power, where high society entertaining meets the intimate comfort of a private sanctuary. The ceiling heights are soaring, framed by ornate moldings that have watched the city evolve for centuries. Yet, the most intimate views are reserved for the sanctuary of sleep. In the master bedroom, the hustle of the city fades into a whisper of cashmere textiles and silk wall coverings. The bed is positioned as a viewing platform, perfectly aligned with a framed silhouette of the Eiffel Tower glowing in the distance. The lighting is intentionally moody, using deep shadows and warm amber halos to emphasize the quiet luxury philosophy. It is a room designed for the twilight of the soul, where the decor is minimal but the materials are world-class. Beyond the rest, culinary art finds a new, sleek home. The kitchen strips away the excess, revealing a minimalist chef's dream carved from dark walnut and Calacatta marble. Integrated appliances disappear behind custom cabinetry, allowing the high-contrast textures of the stone to take center stage. This is a space of precision, illuminated by recessed architectural lighting that highlights the clean lines and brass accents. It serves as a functional sculpture, bridging the gap between a high-end gallery and a warm family hearth. Look upward, for the vertical dimension offers a hidden perspective. Floating above the dining area, the mezzanine serves as a transition between the social and the private. Encased in a minimalist blackened steel and glass railing, it provides a dramatic overlook of the grand entertaining spaces below. It is a gallery for the mind, featuring a sculptural lounge chair and curated art pieces that benefit from the flood of natural light. This elevated vantage point reinforces the apartment's sense of scale and architectural complexity. From this height, we descend into a realm of pure marble serenity. The master bath is a monolithic sanctuary of honed stone and light. A freestanding soaking tub acts as the centerpiece, carved with soft, organic edges that echo Yovanovitch's design language. Large-format marble slabs wrap the walls, creating a seamless, spa-like environment where the vanity mirrors reflect the golden glow of the city outside. It is a masterclass in sensory design, where the tactile coldness of stone meets the warmth of a perfectly pressurized rainfall. Let us step outside, where the city's pulse is felt beneath our feet. The front yard is a private, gated porte-cochere that serves as a transition from the public street to private luxury. Manicured boxwood hedges and glowing gas-style lanterns create a rhythmic path toward the grand black lacquered entrance. The air here smells of jasmine and history, offering a rare moment of greenery in the heart of the Golden Triangle. It is a curated entrance that ensures the arrival experience is as prestigious as the destination itself. But for the ultimate vista, we must ascend to the very top. The rooftop is the crown jewel of this Parisian masterpiece, a 270-degree open-air stage. From here, the Arc de Triomphe feels close enough to touch, and the Eiffel Tower dominates the skyline in a display of iron and light. Outfitted with cashmere gray weather-resistant lounges and a minimalist fire pit, this is the ultimate venue for twilight cocktails. It is a private island in the sky, where the horizon of Paris becomes your personal wallpaper in a high-contrast dream. When the party ends, the intellect finds a home in the study. The working room is a bastion of focused elegance, featuring a burlwood desk and deep-seated leather chairs. Floor-to-ceiling library shelving is backlit with soft LEDs, creating a glow that highlights a collection of rare first editions. It is a space designed for deep work and high-level strategy, where the quiet is broken only by the soft tick of a clock or the scratching of a pen. The contrast between the dark wood and the cream textiles creates a profound sense of authority. Behind the scenes lies a secret garden of absolute privacy. Hidden at the rear of the apartment is the backyard, a secluded terrace garden that offers a quiet escape from the city's energy. Climbing vines cover the limestone walls, creating a vertical forest that provides shade and privacy. A small, elegant marble bistro set sits in the corner, perfect for a morning espresso while the sun rises over the zinc roofs of Paris. It is a rare urban luxury, providing a breath of fresh air and a sanctuary of verdant silence. This $7 million masterpiece proves that luxury isn't about being loud, it's about being flawless. In the heart of the Golden Triangle, we've seen how heritage and modern design can coexist to create the world's most coveted address. Thank you for joining us on this architectural journey through the pinnacle of Parisian living. If you enjoyed this look inside, subscribe for more exclusive tours of the world's most extraordinary homes.